becomes difficult to think that this is non-different from prana, because you're learning the beat. You're concentrating on the beat. Just like how we learn driving. When one is learning driving, you try to tell him something. If he's a new driver, and you're trying to talk to him, hey, I'm driving. He's look in the mirror, turn on the indicator, stick the hand out, or press the horn. He's consciously thinking, press the accelerator, press the brakes, press the clutch, change the gear. It's conscious. Even if you try to talk to him, he'll be like, no, don't disturb me, I'm driving. But once he becomes habituated to driving, then he'll press the horn and he'll not even know he's pressed the horn. It's automatic. Yeah, when it's turning, he'll just turn on the indicator, turn, and he's talking to you. Maybe even some people even eat while driving, and he's like, or even put on their shirt while driving, and yeah. So during practice time, it becomes difficult. Similarly, we are practicing to become Krishna conscious. So when we are chanting, we have to keep on reminding ourselves, this is why we are doing. We are chanting, we are thinking of Krishna. So think. We tell the mind, think. Just hear. Don't even think. Just hear. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. But as we become fixed in Krishna consciousness, then that thought of Krishna naturally comes. It naturally comes. Therefore, right now it's a forceful practice. Yeah, it's a forceful practice. Wake up early in the morning. We have to put on the alarm to make sure we wake up. Otherwise, the next time our eyes open, it's already 9 o'clock in the morning, and you're like, what happened? Right? So we have to force ourselves. That's why it's practice. So in the practice stage, thinking of Krishna does not come naturally. We have to put force. Guru puts force. Through this whole program and that, what are we doing? Right? Why early in the morning, we're waking up, we're doing the morning program, we're putting force. Force to the mind. You have to think of Krishna. And it works, because even if the mind doesn't want to think of Krishna, if we're singing the morning prayers, automatically, okay, what's the next line? We have to say it, we have to learn it, we have to sing it, right? And as we're chanting, even if 95% the mind was roaming around, 5% we chanted. So slowly that 5% becomes 10%, becomes 15%, becomes 50%. So it's all connected. Just like when we're learning, although at that learning stage, it's not that I'm doing this as a service to Krishna, this is Balram. We're not thinking that. But we're learning eventually to think like that, isn't it? So the same way we're practicing right now, even though our practice may not be fully thinking of Krishna fully at every single step, but we're practicing to do that. We're practicing to do that. So we shouldn't say, no, Prabhu, you're not doing devotional service. No, it is devotional service, but it's in a practice form. The mantras one learns in Mridanga, he doesn't play those mantras. It's to accustom the hands to the drum, right? You don't see people, playing Tere Ketha in Kirtan. Kirtan mantras are different. But you have to learn that practice mantra to accustom the. Similarly, we are doing our Vaidhi Sadhana Bhakti, we are waking up early in the morning forcefully, we are chanting forcefully, we are taking prasad forcefully, to eventually it will translate into doing devotional service full time, properly. So we should just go on, keep on practicing. Every day, every moment is a new opportunity to concentrate more, to think of Krishna more. And in this way, we get there.